Hi, this is ShelliMonet. Welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to talk about the crystal pyrite. Before I get started, I just want to take the opportunity to thank you again for choosing my channel. I thank YouTube for this global platform, and I hope you guys are informed and this causes you to want to learn more about crystals and the energetic effects they have on your day-to-day life. So I want to tell you the angel number that's associated, that vibrates with pyrite, and it's number 3. And there's a couple of different pyrites I will mention as well. The one I'm going to speak about today is the pyrite in quartz, and it looks really beautiful. It looks like gold, actually. And this brings a lot of prosperity to you. But remember, you have to make sure to clean your crystals, to clear them from energies, former energies. So I want to say that throughout this video to remind you to clean your crystals. We all have to remember. Sometimes people bathe with their crystals, which is not advisable. You can sage yourself if you don't like taking off your crystals and all of that. You can just daily sage yourself from when you come in, and that will help also. So with that being said, let's get right into what the angel number that is associated with pyrite. It is number 3. And number 3 is an incredible number. And like I said before, I'm just going to highlight what angel numbers does. If you want an in-depth information about the number 3, please check out Minxdiva's video and her channel, because she explains it really well, and she has a terrific personality and she's very engaging. So she would be very informative, and she has a book and all of that if you want to know more about the angel numbers in particular. Again, I'm just saying a few attributes that go with the numbers that are associated with the crystals that I give details about. So number 3 is good for luck or change in life, ambition, focus, and success. So all that sounds good to me, and I'm sure it sounds good to you, because we all want all those things continuously. Okay, so there's different pyrites. There's a pyrite that looks like a feather, and then there's a snakeskin pyrite, and then there's an iridescent pyrite, and then the pyrite magnesium site pyrite, and then the pyrite quartz that I'm going to talk about, and then the pyrite with shepherite. And you can look these all up, and they all do different things, but they have a similar vibration, all of them. I'm dealing with the quartz today, the pyrite quartz again. You see, it is very beautiful, and it looks like a piece of gold. And this is magnificent to have in your house, or to wear on your persons, in your clothes, pockets, bra for women, etc. Okay, so the benefits of the pyrite in quartz. Okay, so number 1, it identifies and helps to release ingrained blockages. So like if you have emotional blockages and mental blockages and physical blockages, this pyrite, the pyrite with quartz, will help to alleviate those things. The next thing it does, it helps for energetic protection and mental protection. So if you're going on a important meeting or journey, you should be sure to have a piece of pyrite on your persons, because it helps you. It also helps you with clarity, and it helps you to understand that something may not be right. You'll get a feeling in your spirit or in your solar plexus to do something differently, maybe to drive a certain way or take a different flight. It really helps you navigate through life, as well as it helps with abundance. It's funny, it helps with abundance because it looks just like a chunk of gold. And again, I want to reiterate, it doesn't matter what size your crystals are, they still vibrate really wonderfully and emit this incredible energy that helps you with your body. It helps with your lungs, it helps with your kidneys, It helps with your bronchial system, your blood flow. It helps to increase more oxygen in your blood. Pyrite does a lot of things that are very beneficial to you. And so I'm going to continue to name some. It helps if you have fatigue. I'm always energetic, but it helps for that. It helps to control the fatigue. And sometimes it's just mental fatigue, but it helps to clear out that, along with identifying the blockages that may be causing you to feel stagnant. It helps to increase your stamina, which everybody wants, and your ambition, and stay focused on your goal till its completion. The thing about these crystals, we wear them or we set them around our vehicle or our house or our office or wherever you spend the most time, or wear it on your person. But you have to touch them, you have to interact with them. You can't allow them to be dusty, because they pick up your vibrations and align you with the vibration of the crystal and the planet. So you want to make sure to, like, always go pick it up, put it on your hand, wave it like this, like I said, and you'll feel the heat emanating from it, activating your hand chakras and all of that. And I think sometimes I put it on my third eye and I meditate with it, or I just hold it and I just pray over it, and I'm guided. And this works for everyone. We just have to attune to it, okay? Because we have to get our spirit in alignment. We have to wake up and exercise our spirit. Basically, we can't just be like, oh, I'm up or whatever. You have to, like, energize it. So whatever you do, if you physically exercise, if you meditate, pray, listen to music, dance, sing, whatever it takes to get you, like, really get your vibration really high. Because when your vibration's high, that's when manifestations happen, and you just feel really good. And when you're feeling really good, things come to you. They're drawn to you. And most of the time, what's drawn to you when you're in a high vibrating state is good things. So keep that in mind with these crystals, okay? Back to pyrite. I told you about it aligning your body and increasing your oxygen. I also want you to know that it aids your respiratory system and your bones and your circular functions and your lymphatic systems. The important thing about the lymphatic system is it really does not work unless you jump. So if you have a rebounder, or you do an exercise that consists in jumping, like jumping jacks or something, that's really great. So to have a crystal that helps the lymphatic system, and by wearing it, that is a good plus for you to do. It'll benefit you in so many ways of clearer thinking and focus and concentration and all of those good things. So the next thing it does, it helps to neutralize toxins in your body, because all the chemicals in the food and the environment and in the cosmetics and in the toiletries and everything we use, there's a lot of toxins. Even natural products have some, that's inevitable. So this helps with that as well. Along with, it helps, women will love this, it helps with the DNA repair and helps for anti-aging, and we all want that. We all want to look our best at all times. So this is really, really great. And one that I really love is it helps to draw out hidden abilities and talents. Yes, pyrite. This little crystal helps to pull out of hidden abilities and talents. Isn't that fantastic, right? So things that you don't even know that's dormant in your system that you're really good at, or you were created to do, and you might be unaware, by wearing this or having this in your environment, or by your bed, it will start leading you to different things that you were like, oh, I didn't know I was interested in that. Oh, I didn't know I'm so good at that. So that's another good thing. And also pyrite helps with abundance, like I said, prosperity and abundance. It helps a lot, like navigate you towards, pyrite helps navigate you towards what you're doing, far as it's a project, opportunity, things to make money, money seems to line up with this crystal, and maybe because it looks like gold and it has that strong vibration. But pyrite does so many magnificent things for everyone. I think everyone should have a piece of pyrite in their collection of crystals. And there's a few crystals I'm going to talk about this week, about the ones that, a group of crystals maybe you should just think of having if you don't have them yet, because it's crystals that, like I said, I wear. And then there's crystals we have around the house, and they all do certain things. They help us with certain things. My husband's a writer. I have crystals that help for him to think. I don't know if he believes in it, but they're all in his office area and all of that. But I can feel the difference, of it. And especially if I haven't been home for a while, if I've been on a trip or something, I walk in, I can feel the energy in the house. And that's what we want. I also am big about keeping crystals in your car. I know that's kind of like woohoo, but most people spend a lot of time in their car if they're on the go, or if they live in California where we live. A lot of time is spent in your vehicle, so you want it to be serene and calm, and you also want to be being led to do certain things. So in that driving, it also helps keep you calm, like when you're in traffic and all of that. It helps you to stay focused on what's really important: my safety, the safety of others, and maybe something's trying to come through, maybe an idea that you've been praying and meditating about, but you want some answers. Maybe your answers are coming through in your quiet time in your vehicle. Who knows? Or when you're taking a walk or you're exercising and you have your crystals in your workout clothes. But at all times, we are being led. And sometimes we allow our mind to just lead us through things that's just, irrelevant. But with the crystals, thank you. They help to keep you really excited and happy and cheerful, and keep you in a position of being open to learn more things and to receive more things, and to, emanate good and share it with others. So again, thank you for watching my channel. Be certain to clean and clear your crystals. And I also want you to know that you're loved and appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, or if you have a crystal that you want me to talk about, please let me know. If you feel so inclined to do, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have to remember to say that. I just get so excited about sharing the information with people because, like I said, I'm very excited about crystals, and pyrite is one of my favorites. One of my friend's mom, she has pyrite on every time you see her. Pyrite jewelry, pyrite everywhere. She really loves pyrite. And I see why. She's very successful, and she knows the benefit of this crystal. But it's not just abundance in things, it's abundance in spirit. It's abundance in thinking and creating and developing things that you had no idea that you would be developing on this life journey. So again, if you want more information on the angel number 3 that associated with pyrite, check out Minxdiva's video, because like I said, her channel is fantastic. I think she's a great young woman, and she gives very helpful information, and she has a slew of books and things like that, and a lot of beneficial information. So shout out to her, and take care and have a wonderful day. And I can't wait to do my next video, and I appreciate you. Bye bye.